Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this quick video I explain how to check your hard drive on MBR or GPT, and there is more than one way to know your hard drive partition system, and I will explain more than one method to you quickly. GPT is GUID Partition Table, and MBR is Master Boot Record. They are two different partitioning styles that can be used for the disk. I will explain the difference between MBR and GPT in another video. Now we will learn how to know your hard drive partition system. And the first way to know this is through disk management. Open the run box and enter diskmgmt.msc to open disk management. In the disk management window, it shows you all your hard disks. Click view on the menu bar. And from the menu, click top, and from the submenu, select disk list. The view of your hard disks will change immediately. Here, under partition style, you will find the partition style for each disk you have, either GPT or MBR. If no partition style appears, under the partition style column, right-click on the disk you want, and from the menu, select Properties. Then click on the Volumes tab, and look in Disk Information to see if the partition style for this disk is GUID Partition Table, or Master Boot Record. And in this way, you can know the partition system on your hard disk. There is another easy way also through PowerShell, through which you can know the type of partition on each hard disk that is running on your computer. Open the PowerShell window, then type the command get disk, and press the enter button. And it will execute the command to display some information on your hard disks. Among the information that the command will display is the type of partition for the hard disk. Look under the partition style column to know the type of partition for your hard disks. There are other ways to know the type of partition for hard disk, but I think that these two methods are faster and easier for users. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.